Two dead after boat capsizes near Lime Key during a family outing.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The two women who died after being swept overboard a small boat that capsized off the coast of Port Royal during a pleasure trip sometime around midday on Thursday, December 27th have been identified. They are Edith Betcher of Mandeville, Manchester, and Janelle DeSacers of a Kingston address. Reports are that the two females were among 13 people on the boat that encountered problems while heading from Port Royal to Lime Key and ended up capsizing. The Marine Police said they received a distress call and responded along with the Jamaica Defence Force JDF Coast Guard and were able to remove the members of the group from the water. The two women who were rushed to the Kingston Public Hospital in unconscious states were later pronounced dead. The other 11 occupants of the boat, who were also in various degrees of distress, responded favorably to medical treatment. The captain of the boat, Herbert Dorian, has been arrested and charged for operating the vessel without the required license. He was granted station bail at the Port Royal Police Station and is scheduled to appear in court on January the 23rd.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them, right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.